Don't drink whey protein. It will damage your kidney. You have to. People say whey protein damages your kidney. On the other hand, the same people used to party with alcohol every weekend. Don't drink whey protein. It will damage your kidney. You have to. You have to be hospitalized. Arey bro, tell your parents to watch this video. Whey protein is not a steroid. Many people of the India and especially in Indian culture, the parents feels like you are drinking whey protein as a steroid. Like it is not a steroid. Show them the research based evidence. I'll also put a screenshot on the side. Like whey protein is completely derived from milk. Like you used to make paneer at home, right? When you used to make paneer, the green liquid separate. That green liquid is whey. That is raw whey, liquid whey. And from that we used to import raw whey, powder form whey after filtration method. And that we have two types of filtration methods. One is natural, one is through harmful chemical substances that can make your protein worse. It will make. The chances are higher side on this side. Filtration methods depends the most, like your whey protein is natural, is it safe to consume or not? So we have cleared about the myth that whey protein is not an steroid. Now coming to the part 2 of the video, segment 2 of the does whey protein causes kidney damage to your body or not? If you are a healthy person without any medical condition, even in medical conditions, whey protein is recommended to aged people, not just the people who are exercising, doing gym, even the aged people, the pregnant woman also got suggested by the doctor. The doctor suggests them whey protein to add in their diet. Whey protein is just providing you energy. It is not an steroid. I have just cleared this part in the previous segment. If in this case, if you have any medical condition related to kidney, I'd recommend first ask your doctor whether you can have protein or not. Because Ayushman Khurana is one of the brilliant actor of our Bollywood industry, a brilliant actor. He is saying that
even protein shakes are really bad.
Like, can you elaborate?
It takes 3 years to digest one scoop of protein shake, by the way. It stays in your body.
Sir Ayushman Khurana, we are not consuming the scoop of the whey protein, we are just consuming the whey are giving by such so-called actors, celebrities. Don't listen them completely blindly. Use your own brain. Moving to the segment 3 of the video, alcohol versus whey. Let's just compare alcohol versus whey protein. It is one of the foolish comparison on the internet that you can heard. Whey versus alcohol, bro. People are just mad out there. There seems to be comparing alcohol with whey. No comparison. No, literally alcohol. Let's consider alcohol. Like, what are its health benefits? Zero health benefits. It totally damages your liver in the long term. It totally damages your brain thinking, critical thinking power. It damages your body. It damages your body, weakens your bones. No benefit. The people are casually drinking beer every weekend. People that are having that on a daily basis, it surely get shorter lifespan and they will end up their life messing upon alcohol. So, with the other side, and the protein is one of the most effective supplement that can build your muscle efficiently, easily. You can have it like you don't have to chew. You're just having with water or milk, and the absorption is also 100%. 100% absorption of the whey protein. Highest quality of protein gets absorbed to your body 100%. And it only takes about 2 to 3 hours, maximum 4 hours, some case more than that, but average people get digest whey protein within the 2 to 4 hours span. To build muscle memory, to build your mind, to build your memory faster, to think, ability to think faster, ability to grow your bones, the bone and the mineral density gets very better. Thinking power gets better. You will feel energetic throughout the day. A lot of benefit of whey protein On the other side, zero benefit of alcohol. Moving to the part 4 of the video, whey versus yeast versus isolate protein. Which is the best form you can have? Whey protein concentrate is better for the people that are doing bulking, like for the people who are doing job, for the people who are an athlete, kids, younger teenagers, women's, men. Like concentrate whey protein focuses on more, like it is a kind of balanced protein, explaining in easy terms, like carbohydrates, proteins and fats almost are looking, if you are looking for the both of the three to add surplus in your diet, like if you cannot consume carbs more, other Indian diet is more of carbs rather than protein, but if in case you are not able to complete your carbs, protein and fats to the diet, you can easily add whey protein concentrate to your diet. For example, if in whey protein isolate you are getting protein in per scoop 25 grams on an average basis, in the whey protein concentrate you will average be getting whey protein 22 grams, 20 grams, 21 grams, like this. 3 to 5 grams of whey protein will matter, and carbs will on a higher side than isolate, like 4 to 5 grams of isolate carbs will have like 10 to 11 grams of carbs in the normal concentrate. So this is the major difference, and fat will be slightly like 2 to 3 grams slightly higher in the concentrate form. The price wise, and in the yeast protein you'll get plant protein, soya, like you'll get soya concentrate and whey isolate blend of whey concentrate and isolate, like blend of whey isolate and whey soya, like soya and concentrate will get a blend, and then you'll get yeast protein, and whey versus plant versus isolate versus yeast, 4 of the proteins. Now I'm going to discuss. Concentrate and isolate are best for the, like 4 of the proteins are best for the muscle gaining, but depends upon your goal. For the bulking, the best short answer is whether you are bulking, you have to go for concentrate. You are on cutting, you have to go for isolate if your budget allows, if your pocket allows. If you cannot afford concentrate, then you can go to the plant one, the plant protein, and the middle between the concentrate, isolate and plant, like between the concentrate and plant protein, the yeast protein can fit on the budget side. Digestion wise, I'll rank isolate, then plant, then yeast and plant are on the same side, then concentrate on the digestion purpose. On the pocket friendly purpose, I would ranking plant on the higher side, then yeast, then concentrate, then isolate on the budget friendly side. This was the complete dedicated video about whey protein versus alcohol versus digestion, the yeast protein, plant, concentrate, isolate, the complete myths and air, the complete protein myth you are watching in the one video. Do like, share and comment what kind of videos you want to watch in the future, and I'll meet you and I'll see you in the next one. Until then,
don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.